It's December 29th, 2021. You can see we've got some snow in Seattle, and here's the raspberry. You can see the fruits have completely died back. And here's the saffron. You can see the leaves are covered in snow. And over here's the sweet alyssum. You can see the flower and leaves are a bit dehydrated. Usually happens when it's cold. And over here's the grape hyacinth, also covered in snow. Leaves are also dehydrated. And over here are all the bulb plants, all covered in snow, so can't really see anything this week. Well, at least today. Succulent over here. Here's the pine tree. And here's the lavender. Looks pretty much the same. And lastly, it's the other rosemary. You can see it's also dehydrated, maybe some freeze damage. And this is what the backyard looks like, covered in snow. And you can see the shooting star variety hydrangea has been damaged by the cold and the snow. But it's also pretty much about time for it to die back. So hopefully it'll recover. But you can see all the leaves are becoming transparent. Also, the winter jewel, you can see it's kind of wilted. This is also in response to the coldness. I'm pretty sure they'll all recover when the temperature rises again. And here are some plants that I haven't showed for a while. The hoya plants are still doing great. You can see lots of new growth still coming out. And the pineapple is also doing great. You can see a lot of leaf growth. And over here's the string of pearls. Looks really healthy to me. It's actually pretty interesting how it's growing a lot more during the winter than the summer. And here are the orchids. Here's the Phalaenopsis. A new flower is going to open soon. Mini oncidium flowers are shedding now. Yeah, they don't last as long as the other orchids, but still a lot of flowers around. Here's the dendrobium. All the flowers still look great, and the new growths are getting bigger, as you can see. Here's the other new growth. And lastly, we have the odontocidium. The flowers are also fading now. Since the mini oncidium flowers are already fading, I decided to cut some for just decoration purpose. They're probably not going to last long at all. I tied up the frizzle sizzle leaves because it's getting quite messy. They're kind of toppling over. Probably not the best idea for it to go dormant though. And here's the elephant food. You can see the leaves are still dropping.